My name is Elmer Ivan, owner and founder of BIK Boom Trucks. But my philosophy was, provide customers with good quality service and eventually good quality products, add value to what we're selling. It's important, whatever you do, to have passion, and I love this business.
Hey guys, we've had a great time at the TCI Expo in Indianapolis, Indiana. We look forward to seeing you in North Carolina in 2022.
Hello everyone, I'd like to take this opportunity from BIK Boom Trucks to extend thanks to everyone involved with the 2021 TCIA.